Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel yasheduacademy. Hope the previous video was informative. Before getting into the video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss the topic of finding percentages. Here are the questions. Okay. The first question is finding the percentage of the amount 12,000 if the interest amount is given as 1800. Okay, we should find the interest. And the second question, find the interest amount of 15,000 if the rate of interest is 8%. So we need to find the total interest amount based on the actual amount and interest amount. And now third question, find the actual amount. We should find the actual amount based on the given interest and the interest amount. Okay, let us get into the video. First one, we need to find percentage x percentage. So our formula is interest amount by actual amount into 100. So interest amount is 1800 by actual amount 12,000 into 100. So these two and these two zeros gets cancelled. Here 1800 by 120. Here also 0 gets cancelled. 180 by 12. 12 ones are and 12 15s are. Okay. So the final answer is 15%. Okay. So the percentage applied for the given amount and the interest amount is 15%. Okay. Now second question. Find the interest amount of 15,000 if the rate of interest is 8%. Okay. We need to find interest amount. Let us assume it as x. So the given is actual amount and the interest amount is 8%. So actual amount is equals to 15,000 and interest percentage is 8%. So the formula is actual amount into percentage. Actual amount into percentage by 100. So the actual amount is 15,000 into percentage means 8% by 100. These two zeros and these two zeros gets cancelled. 150 into 8. So 150 into 8 means 800, 8 5s are 40. 4 carries, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 plus 4, 1200. So the final answer is 1200. So the x value, x is equals to 1200. Okay. Now let us go for the third question. What is the question? That find the actual amount if the rate of interest is 20% and the interest amount is 2400. So first let us write actual amount we need to find. Actual amount is equals to x. Okay. So the interest amount is 2400 and the percentage is 20%. Interest percentage is 20%. So we should find the actual amount. So our formula is interest amount into 100 by percentage, interest percentage. Okay. So interest amount is 2400 into 100 by 20. Okay. Now 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2400 into 10 by 2. So here it comes as 24,000 by 2. So 2 and 24 gets cancelled, it is 12. So 12,000 is the x value. Means the actual amount is 12,000 for the third question. Okay. Hope the video was informative. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel yasheduacademy, and comment your queries in our comment section. To watch our previous videos, get the link from the description.